Hey art friends, today we are going to fold an origami heart.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. For this lesson, you just need a square piece of paper. And what's our paper?
Pink origami paper.
Yeah, if you have origami paper, you can use that, and you can pick any color you want. We just picked pink because it's a heart. And you thought it was cute.
I love pink.
Okay, let's start by first turning our paper so that it's diagonal. And we're gonna fold it in half. We're gonna take this bottom corner, line it up with the top corner, and crease it down. We should have a triangle. Okay, we're gonna open it up. Then we can turn it so that this line is going straight up and down. Then we're gonna repeat that same step. Take the bottom point, line it up with the top corner, and then crease it down. Okay, this is also just a guide fold so we can open it back up. Then we're gonna take the top fold and we're gonna line the point or the corner with the center where it crosses. So once you get it lined up, you can hold it down with your finger and then fold it down. Then we're gonna take this bottom corner at the very bottom and we're gonna line it up all the way up to the very top, but in the center where it's folded. You can line it up and then crease it down. Next, we're gonna fold it kind of like a paper airplane. We're gonna let's flip it upside down. I feel like it's a little easier to do it this way, but our heart will be upside down this way. But we're gonna fold it like an airplane. So we're gonna take this edge right here and line it up with the center. And line it up so that it goes right over it and then crease it down. So this line, like there. Yeah, there you go. Next, we'll take the left side and repeat that. Fold it just like you're folding an airplane. Oh, it looks like an airplane.
Yeah, it does.
You could keep going and see if it flies, but we're doing it heart, so. Yes. Okay, now let's turn it back over. See, and it already is looking like a heart.
Yes.
From Minecraft. It's too square. We gotta change it just a little. We're gonna flip it over and so you can see the triangles up here at the top, but we're gonna take this corner over here and we'll just fold it in. It doesn't matter where it lines up. We're just creating a small little triangle on the side so it's not as square or pointy. And then we'll do the same and try to match. You can try to match the size of these two triangles together. And then one more, we're gonna flip it, we can flip it upside down. We're gonna take these top corners right here and fold them down. And you can try to line this point up with the fold going down the middle. Then when you're all done, you can turn it over so it's this way and then flip it to the other side. And we did it. Look, it's not as square. Now it looks more round.
I love it.
It looks really cute. And another thing you can do with this is you can open it up and you can write a little message on the inside.
And give it to somebody you love.
Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun folding a heart with us.
We do. And we hope you give it to somebody special. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh, and here's one for you.
Thank you.